saw you inside. It was a cold winter night. You shine like different intoxicants to make you feel alright. Now I'm sitting here holding back tears and fears. You're just my type.
Hi Chingu, so we're now here at Quirino and we're spending our time exploring this beautiful place. Right now pala, we're here in a relative's place and they have a farm which makes me feel happy and at peace with nature.
Hi! San Marcos has nothing to do with bonbons.
Laki na.
Mamaya na. Yung nagpabang.
Ay, charin ba yun?
Hi Chingu, so it's currently 12 p.m. and we're here at Landingan Viewpoint sa Nagtipunan, Quirino province.
It's so mainit, pero who cares? We are in a nature trip. Hindi full of gloom that day, but I really enjoy being with the nature and my mom. I super duper love the view here.
And they don't know about what's going on behind the scenes, but they don't need to swear. I'll keep it between you and me. What we're doing, yeah. What we're doing, yeah. What we're doing, oh, is I do. Just two ones again.
We tried to climb the viewpoint of it, and it was breathtaking. I never imagined that I will do such high trek because I have asthma, which makes me easily out of breath, and also, I'm afraid of heights.
Oh my God! Wala na akong hiya. For the view is breathtaking.
I could've stayed, sit and complain. I've had my better days when I'm in the moment with you.
We are from there in Nõ'ᴜ. Now we're here. Super taas. Wala na akong hininga. Pero sobrang breathtaking ng view. Look.
In all the moments too soon. So take it all in, toss another stone by. It's like I'm a rollerblade skating.
We're going down na and it's super hot. Like, super hot. And nangangatog yung tuhod ko kasi medyo takot ako sa heights. Oh my God, this is an achievement kasi takot ako sa heights. Ay, nakakit ang baba ako. I'm so proud of myself. Pero ako yung last na bumababa kasi nangangatog talaga yung tuhod ko.
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes
Next up is ʍᴗᴜ Nature Park.
can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around this day. Can't wait for the
Right now we're walking to the what they call river. I really don't know if tama ba. So, it's medyo malayo from the entrance but worth it. Fun fact, hindi bantay yung water, so ingat. And you can rent naman lifeguards there.
Hi guys, so right now we're here sa river. Kasi walang falls, so river siya. Yung super init, nakita niyo, pawis na ako.
why don't you come to stay? Cause baby like, ooh, it's
Yes.
all another flower lane. The sun goes around the
Just a quick trip to Cagayan, and when we got home, nag-pick lang for souvenir and memories.
I wanna know what you listen to when you lay in bed alone. You got this sophistication. I hate when we talk through our phones. We have our hopes and our dreams, every little thing between. Maybe this can't be. I read the note that you gave me through the moonlight in my bedroom.
Another nature trip, but this time it's in the beach, which is in Aurora province.
Show like different intoxicants to make you feel alright. Now I'm
It's been a while since I feel this peace and calm with nature. Anyways, my fam and I just enjoyed the rest of our day by the beach.
You wanna be somebody, want us to believe that you're somebody to see, searching for a feeling, and you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion, make a couple mil off passion. House on a hill, live lavish, rolling, rolling, rolling.
It's our last day and took this an opportunity to buy some fresh food.